I can't breathe. Even though this year I made on purpose less food so we'd have less leftovers, and somehow, I don't know, and I have to clean it all up and it's everywhere. And guess what? I also have to make room for brownie dessert. So the only way to take care of this, absolutely, I want to show you my tummy. Look at this. What is this? What is this? Only way to solve this crazy, protruding, painful belly and make room for brownies is to try a tequila digestive. Isn't tequila a digestive? I think it is. That's what I say. Let's see. The magic potion will run down, soothe the belly, and make room for brownies. That's what I say. Here we go. Oh yeah. Yep. It's making its way down. It's making its way down. Down, 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 down. How are you feeling? How's your tummy? Do you have room for brownies?
Yes.
Oh, you
always,
do? I was going to offer you some of this.
Wow!
Nah.
Zax, come over here.
How are you so energetic? He wants to be in the shot. Hello?
Hello?
Do you have room for brownies?
Do you have room for brownies?
Are you repeating me?
Yes.
Hi.
Go on.
So they have room for brownies. I do not have room for brownies. Do
I
it
have
work?
room.
Very energetic. Oh! Sorry, I just elbowed you. I'm making it go down so I have room for brownies. Did the tequila work? Did the tequila work? Did the tequila work? No. But. No. But no. No but. I do have a but. It's very big after this meal. Why are you eating? You have room to eat me? Get him some tequila.
I have the room to eat a helicopter.
Come here.
No, I don't.
Come here. Someone wants to be on the blog. I think
Okay,
we just
you
got a
do?
shot up my armpit. Hello. You have room to eat toys. You have room to eat my face. I mean my face, my arm. And I can barely have room to
You
eat
can
this.
barely have it. Oh.
No! I do have a little room to feed on the baby.